Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the SPY. Again, today we had Fed minutes data coming out. Are we going to continue on with this pressure to the upside as we came down, retested, and we had our spinning top doji indecisively again yesterday, continuing on higher? Will we continue on with this momentum as we are testing our previous highs here? And as we are testing the upper end of our channel here, will we get our bullish candle structure on the upper end of our channel to show that proof of concept, or are we going to get a rejection like we have prior multiple times here? As you guys can see, getting rejections on the upper end of our channel here. So again, keeping that in mind, I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Now, before I jump into this, you guys can do me a huge favor, smash that like button if you find this video useful at all. Hit subscribe if you want to see my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the market every single day. We go over candle structure, overall strength levels, and any key indicators that we need to be focused on. And again, if you are a day trader or you are looking for very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day in the Instables, and again, we mention any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, again, Fed minutes data coming out today. The key point that we're going to take away from today is, again, we had more Feds than not mentioning a slowing in pace of interest rates would be appropriate soon. So again, we had a spike here in the market, and we are looking to see if we will continue on with this anticipation of a possible Fed pivot leading into December's Fed rate hike, again, from Nick Timmeros mentioning that spike here, again, a few weeks ago, mentioning a possible Fed pivot, looking to see if we will continue on with this anticipation. In my opinion, will be if we do continue on and hold above our channel here. If we do get a bullish candle structure on the upper end of our channel, this is going to be that continuation that we're looking for. As you guys can see, as far as our overall strength shows, as you guys can see, we do have, again, that continuation with an increase in buy pressure for the last couple of days. We were on a cool off for the last 4 days with our decrease in buy pressure. We had our EMA line that was curling down, however, started to continue to curl up here. Again, we have our EMA lines above the median or MACD, showing us the largest rally that we had over the year prior that we have been looking for. Again, continuing on with that strength, now looking to see if we will continue on above the upper end of our channel. In my opinion, from here is going to be less predicated on strength, even though we are looking for that continuation on increases in buy pressure to make sure that we are confirming that we are increasing in strength. However, looking at our strength is not going to be the bullish candle setup that we're looking for. We are looking for, again, that possible bullish candle setup, possible continuation on higher, and then a possible pullback, and then looking for that possible engulfing candle to show that we are respecting, again, that level that we have here on the upper end of our channel. So again, keeping that in mind, looking for that bullish candle setup on the upper end of a channel is going to be the play here, guys, that we're looking for if we do want that continuation. Again, as you guys can see, we have been respecting our 20. As you guys can see, we mentioned again prior that we had a gap up respecting our 50. We had our 20 crossing over our 50. We bounced off of our 50, had a gap up. Now looking to see if we will continue on with this proof of concept on the upper end of our channel here. Now, as far as if we have room to run to the upside, as you guys can see, our RSI is pointing up. We are breaking into newer highs. As you guys can see, we were looking to see if we can break into newer highs. We are just breaking into newer highs, and we are not overbought. So again, we do have still room to run to the upside. Again, some may argue that we are overextended. I would say that yes, we are somewhat overextended, since again, we do have our decrease in buy pressure. However, we are not overbought on the RSI still, so we still have possible room to run. And I'll tell you right here on the RSI, the last thing that we want to see is jumping into overbought territory and getting a large rejection here, because again, that could be multiple bearish divergence that could play out here. Again, getting lower lows upon lower lows upon lower lows. If we get, again, a rejection as we are overbought here, we are going to be looking for that proof of concept, looking for that continuation on above our prior, again, highs to show that we are jumping into overbought territory with strength. Again, like I said, if we jump into overbought territory here, we have room to the upside, and then we do jump into overbought territory. The last thing that we want to see is a major rejection on lower lows, showing us major bearish divergence and a possible major rejection here on the upper end of our channel here. So just keeping that in mind. Now, lastly, looking at our largest indicator that we have been tracking, again, looking at the dollar for that weakness here on the dollar, for that strength in the market. As you guys can see, again, we did mention that we dropped below our 50 for the second time here. We dropped below our 20 here for the second time as well, having weakness, a nice rally that we had to the downside. After we dropped below our 50 for the second time, a nice rally that we had to the downside. Again, as you guys can see, we were mentioning that we had a flag here that we are sitting on. Now, are we going to continue on with that strength? Are we breaking into this bear flag here to continue on lower in the dollar to have that rally in the SPY? That's what we're looking for here. Will we continue on with these momentum candles to the downside after we had strong pushes to the downside here on the dollar, and we are looking to see if we will continue on with support here to possibly consolidate in the market, or will we continue on lower here in the dollar to continue on higher in this SPY. That's what we're looking for here, guys. Looking to see if we will find support, get that bearish candle structure here, as we are looking for that bullish candle structure on our SPY on the upper end of our channel here. So again, this is exactly what we're looking for here, guys. If you guys want to see all of our breakouts that we mention every single day in the Instables room, NRBL today, COSM as well, amazing breakouts that we had in the Instables room, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, all of you Instables, I hope you guys do have a great Thanksgiving tomorrow. I will still be uploading tomorrow. Much love to every one of you guys. I do appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. We will continue to take with the market reviews, and making sure that we stay consistent will always be our #1 key in the Instables room. And again, God bless every one of you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.